we can get to where we need to be. We're gonna kill a deer tomorrow. So check this out. It is absolutely coming down. Check this out. That is awesome. See, this is what hunting, it's not just about going out there and killing an animal. You get to witness stuff like this. And we're gonna smack one of these does tonight. I'll leave you guys with this. Oh, and here's Blue. As long as this thing right here, as long as that right there doesn't follow us down tonight. Is that right, Blue? As long as Blue doesn't follow us down, we should be able to get it done. All right, well, after a nap, breakfast, we're refueled. We're gonna go back after it this evening. Like I said, we pulled a card this morning, and all the does, well, I have deer, but all it was does, is all in the evening, so we're hoping to get it done tonight. We'll see you guys in the ground blind, and hopefully we can end this evening with putting down a snowy doe. Lots of deer tracks everywhere. It's going hard. This is what I gotta deal with. I don't know why it claps, but we're gonna get in it and get it over with. Still standing on the side of the hill looking that direction. I ain't gonna get too excited yet.
Even if we didn't, that was awesome to watch all of me on the
I'm starting to come undone. All the rest of them are still up on the side of that hill. Oh my God. Oh, would you so love deer hunting? If we get this deer, that is my second deer. I just went and got the arrow. And it is just caked in what I believe to be liver blood, really dark. There's no smell of guts in it. It's just really, really dark blood and lots of it. I mean, a lot of it. So I think the best thing, probably, we're gonna give it time. So we're probably gonna go ahead and head out of here and either come back late tonight or just go ahead and give it till the morning, because it ain't gonna go bad, that's for sure. So, I mean, there's just... All right, we've decided that, you know what, we're just gonna go ahead and give it overnight. So that's where we stand. Arrow's giving me hope. The way the other deer acted after the shot's giving me hope. It's gonna be a long night. It's gonna be a long night. All right, so here we go. It's the next morning. We're gonna go get the legend. We're gonna go get on this deer's trail. It is a cold day, son. We're gonna find it's gonna be like a fish stick. Whew. I think we're gonna find it, guys. Wish us luck. Let's do it. Alright guys, well, we found her. We're not sure if she bedded down twice here or if the baby one's bedded down or what have you, I don't know, but I think we made the right decision anyway. I ain't gonna lie, the shot's not good and it's definitely liver. I don't know what happened there, besides I think just, you know, just a lack of practicing coming into December, so practice shooting your bows, boys. We got a big doe here. Now I gotta go get the full wheeler, and hell yeah, man, I couldn't be happier with the outcome of this one. You know, this hunt is gonna go down as one of the most memorable hunts that I've ever had. Being able to hunt in the snow with my wife, and then taking my second deer ever with my bow in the snow, and on top of that, having the legend, my father, help me drag this deer out of the woods, is something that I will never forget. Hey, I'm Josh Hammonds from Hambros Outdoors. We'll see you guys in the next video. Alright guys, so on the way out here, my focus for you, I don't know. There we go. So on the way out here, we decided that we were gonna go to a new spot, try something different today. So we got this, we're gonna try the outhouse today. We're gonna go in here and we'll be looking out over top of, you know, looking out this cabin. They like to come around this cabin from time to time. You can see they got a little tulip right there. And I like to come up there sometimes and feed. So we're gonna set up in this here and just see what happens. I'm just kidding, let's go, let's grumble on. It could probably be done though. I'd be interested in seeing if anyone's ever killed a deer out of an outhouse. I bet it's happened. I bet it has. And we could do it. It might be a goal for next year. Kill a deer out of an outhouse.